What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we got a 1969 Camaro with a built 350 under the hood. This one's got aluminum heads. It's got the upgraded pulleys, a supercharger sitting on top. I mean, this may be one of the fastest cars we've had in the last couple years. It's got an aluminum radiator, electric fans, full exhaust. This thing is loud, very loud. We're gonna be taking it down the road. See how she runs and drives. It does have disc brakes in the front. Let's see if they got them in the back. Yep, disc brakes in the back. And look at these fatties. Big old tires back there. Let's see how she runs and drives. We do got a kill switch in the back. We're also going to do a walk around, point out any kind of flaws on the paint job, checking the interior out. It'll be separate from this video. This is the test drive. We post videos like this every day, so hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and join the Maple Motors channel and get notified every day when we post a car for sale. You can also check out maplemotors.com. Every Monday we update with new cars. We have shipping, we have financing available, and 100 detailed pictures of every ride. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, before we take off, I like to look around the interior, point out all the good stuff. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? It's one of the last things we'll be trying. So we got a switch set up here. From bottom to top, ignition, fuel, and your electric fan. LEDs are all in the car, wrapped around the bars and stuff. They just look cool at night. Go ahead and start this thing up. You may not be able to hear me anymore, but if you can, we'll try some stuff out. Windshield wipers, they don't work. Get a defog on there. Go ahead and try the horn. If it's working, I can't hear it. Our water temperature is coming up. Oil pressure's working. Volts is working. You also have one right here saying exactly what it is. B&M shifter, custom console. And of course, put your seatbelt on. Roll cage around the back. This one has been tubbed. See, the headliner's a little bit stretched on it. All right, guys, we're gonna take this thing down the road. See how she rides. All right, guys, we're getting ready to take off here. This is a reverse manual valve body, which means you start in the drive position and go backwards. It doesn't have the same setup on here. It says D21, so when you're in one, you're in third. Let's take off. I was just in the throttle about a quarter of the throttle just then. This car is extremely fast. That's what I'm talking about, power right there. Guys, the brakes are very sensitive. The brakes are working great. Speedometer's not coming up. this parking lot here, get some outside shots. Brakes are very sensitive. I guess they need to be on this thing. All right, guys, let's get these shots. Okay, so we did our walk around video. Drove around the parking lot quite a bit. Let's go ahead and get the seat belts back on. Just gonna put the lap belt on for now. And we'll head on back to the lot. Start up here. Can't hear me at all. Speed bump. in this one from the back end. Some big wide tires. We're right around the corner from the car lot now. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all have a good one. Hey, if y'all are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every day. If you don't mind, share this video. It helps us out quite a bit. Maybe we can hit that 300,000 quicker than we did the 2. I got plenty of cars to test drive today. I'm gonna go grab another one. Check out maplemotors.com. You can see our inventory. It's updated every Monday. Close to 100 detailed pictures of all the cars on the lot as well. We offer financing and shipping, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. I'll see y'all in the next video. Be watching for the walk around. Points out all the chips and scratches. I'll link the videos together. Hey, thank y'all. Y'all have a good one.